Good morning. It is like 10 o'clock. Don't mind me just taking a sip of my tea. There's supposed to be somebody coming to do something energy, something to do with the windows and heaters. That's all I know. That is all I know. Today I came on my period. I feel like shit. Fun. This is today's fit. If anyone's wondering, I'm not bothering with my appearance today. No, it's not happening. So this is what's going on right now. I need to hoover before this woman comes, so yay. I'm just taking my dog out for a walk. I'm currently I'm currently cooking seasoned chicken. And then there's my rice and broccoli. Seasoned this with paprika, garlic and mild chili powder. I think the last clip you've seen was me showing you my chicken. I don't know why. Gosh, my eye backs look really bad. George, what are you doing? Anyway, not getting up to much today. Been for a dog walk. I just feel a bit crappy. If you know, you know. And I think I said at the beginning of the vlog. Oh, I need to refill this hot water bottle. It's going cold now. He wants me to throw his toy. Anyway, I'm gonna end this little clip. I don't know what else I'm doing. You might see me later on, you might not. I don't know. Oh gosh, I'm tired. I just put my slippers in the tumble dryer because my feet are cold. If you haven't done that and you've got a tumble dryer and your feet are cold, go and do it. Because it is the best feeling ever. Trust me. I am about to make me and Mum a coffee from the coffee machine. I'm gonna be having, I think we'll be having the caramel ones again because I'll show you all. This is the ones we have. There we go. Yep. They're the ones we're having. Oh, that's a different colour. A different one to the rest. Is that brighter too? No, I think I've just seen things. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go make it. Let's do a little transition. Don't wait. I'll make the cups appear here ready. 1, 2, 3. Here's the coffees. They look amazing. Can't wait to drink it and then be awake till 4 AM in the morning. Exciting. You might be wondering, why does your hair look like that? It just does. You're probably not wondering that actually. You're probably wondering, why is this such a late upload? Because it is. I am going to curl my hair. for no reason. Haven't got a reason. I'm just gonna curl my hair. It is like, it's 8 PM or something like that. Hagrid has entered the chat again. The TV is loud. But I really want to just like chop my hair like to there. Like, I just want to chop it like to there. I know it suits me, so like I do it without any questions. But the thing is, I will ruin my hair and it will literally be like there. That's what the end result will look like. My hair gets like really knotty really fast, so I have to brush my hair like 10 times a day. Anyway, let's section my hair and then curl it. I'm going to end this little clip now because I don't want my video to be too long. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna end this. Okay, so this is the finished look of me curling my hair. This is gonna be the end of the vlog now because I don't even know what this video is. But thanks for watching if you did, and I'll see you in the next video. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, this took me ages.